This plumber's idea stands out for its simplicity. The fitting was too wide, the hose stayed loose, and leaks seemed unavoidable. Most people would have replaced the part without a second thought. He didn't. Using just a sleeve, he created a quick adaptation that works perfectly. The hose fits tight, stays secure, and doesn't leak. It saves time and money. Now the technique is spreading on job sites because it's practical, reliable, and exactly how experienced professionals solve problems.